matter what you say, we'll never back down. For the truth will always be found. King Haile Selassie, keeper of the crown. So we're standing firm like a lion, walking out this road to Zion. You could try to block my path or try to run us over, but God's watching over us and over our shoulder.
You gotta dare to dream, it's time to give it all. Ain't no matter what the obstacle, I keep on going strong. You can try to get the best, you can try to hold me down, but I'm taking deep inside of me. Nothing gonna stop a lot, it's taking the time. Ain't no stopping, though, may get me high, the Lord up above. He made us here to giving up, no giving up. Cause I'm blessed that I will live this life, I'm wasting no more time. I'm here to gotta keep fighting every time I open my eyes. I'm trying to look around, all I can see is somebody try to bring somebody down. Every time I open my ears and all I can hear her voices trying to hold us back, but there is nothing to fear. I know it's out sometimes, so hold your head up high. I know it's even harder sometimes, so to be who you are, you gotta persevere. Use your weakness as a strength, gotta up and courage and hold on and
say you just can't bring us down. No matter what you say, we'll never back down. For the truth will always be found. King Haile Selassie, keeper of the crown. So we're standing firm like a lion, walking out this road to Zion. You could try to block my path or try to run us over, but God's watching over us and over our shoulder. Well, I'm looking at my hood in the streets, this ain't no good, and well, I feel like I'm possessed. Without the tin my nest and well, inhaling all this pollution, and yet I think it's an illusion. Cause I'm just trying to have a vision to fulfill my destination. Preparing a revelation for this younger generation is my invitation for the ones that believe in the healing of the nation. So we're gonna start, and I know it's gonna be hard, but what we have is an art to finish what we have already started. And we're never gonna give up until we reach the final top. And when the beat drop, just listen to this thing we call a little hip hop. And when we say hip, we're hipping with the knowledge. And when we say hop, we're grooving until the top. There's nothing that's there that's gonna make us stop, cause we're breaking every little stumbling block. And say you just can't bring us down. No matter what you say, we'll never back down. For the truth will always be found. King Haile Selassie, keeper of the crown. So we're standing firm like a lion, walking out this road to Zion. You could try to block my path or try to run us over, but God's watching over us and over our shoulder.